Okay, today we are going to unbox this 6001 series. Okay, the 6001 series for Keywe. So let's get started on our unboxing. So let's see inside. Okay, after we take out from the boxes, and then we are able to see that there's actually an installation guide. So you can see from here, this is the installation menu. They will ask you to check all the spare part accessories, and then all the installation guides and all the measurement, actual measurement that you need for your tools for drilling. Okay, so this is all the installation guide, and here comes, this is our user guide. User guide, inside they are explaining for all the resetting the pin code, the master pin code, registration, add for user pin code, add for user card, add for fingerprint, the addition for fingerprint. Everything will be inside this user guide, so make sure that you keep it properly, because this user guide you might need it in the future. Is in case you need to do any setting, you might need to go through the here. Okay, then here comes the inner part. Okay, so this one I believe is the mortise. Okay, so this is the mortise. Okay, this is a Korean mortise, which is the mortise is with wired. So this is an electronic mortise, not semi-auto, like you need to pull out the handle, push down the handle like this. No need. This one is wired, and then once it's connected to the door locks, and then it is auto lock, and you can set it to manual lock and auto locks. So this is all the stainless steel, a Korean mortise, come with a sensor latch. This is a sensor latch. This is the bolt, double lock bolt, and this is a latch. Okay, so this is the mortise. It's an electronic mortise with the auto lock function. Yeah. So if let's say we are done with this mortise, we can proceed to our inside. Okay, so here comes. This is the mortise lock. This is the back panel. Let's remove the plastic, and you can see it clearly. Okay, so this is a Keywe back panel. This one is the battery cover, 4 pieces and up to 8 pieces of AA alkaline battery. Okay, the dollar can be operated with only 4 batteries. If you say you need for more longer and more high traffic usage, you can put in 8 pieces. Okay, so there's a button here. This is the double lock function. You can just press it for 5 seconds and then activate for your double lock series. Okay, so this is a series number, which is a Korean manufacturing products. It's made in Korea. QC check. And then this is the handle. Pull handle. Okay, sorry, this is the pull handle. So when you want to open your door from inside, and just pull it like this to open it. Okay, so this is the back panel, and this is the front panel. Let's remove the plastic. Okay, from the back parts, you manage to see this is all the installation, the screw that we needed to screw it on, and then this is the key latch for emergency key, and then this is the wire that we need to go through the hole and connect to the back panel. Okay, so this is the front part. So for front part, you manage to see this is the logo for our Keywe. and then the number will appears here on 3456 until 9 and *0#, and this is the sensor for the card. So if you want to use the card to access, you can just scan it here. Okay, so here is a 9V. This is a terminal, the terminal for 9V for jump start. Okay, and then this is the fingerprint sensor. So you can just scan it like this and then push it inside. Okay, and then here is a keyhole that you can actually use an emergency key to unlock it, the keyhole. Okay, so this is the push pull lock, which is from outside. After we scan, we push it inside. So you will do something like this, you push inside. From the inside, when you want to open, you hold it open. Okay, so this is the front panel. It's with the function of fingerprint, password, card, emergency key, and using your Bluetooth or your Wi-Fi for connection. The Bluetooth features. Okay, so the next is, you can see all the spare parts here. So same, the original pack come with 4 pieces of 𝗘𝗖𝗟𝗔𝗟 battery. Okay, the back cell battery, 4 pieces they are given, and two pieces of the card. Okay, and this is all the screw and the latch, and another one is the key. This is 2 pieces of the emergency key. Same, this one cannot be duplicated also. Okay, so this is all accessories, and let's see under this box we got included for the front panel. This is the front panel, the back panel. This is the back panel. Sorry. This is the back panel. And also for the screw. And also 2 pieces of cards, 2 pieces of key, 4 pieces of battery, and the multi-slot. Okay, so this is packaging included, so with all the installation guide and the user guide also. Okay, so this is the whole set of Keywe 6100 push-pull model.